so much better than the small amount that's already been provided. I put some plastic foundation frames in here about a week ago, and they haven't taken to them. They did have a coating of wax, but you can see they haven't touched it and they've taken most of the wax off. Look, as you can see. So that can go. Now I do have a video on bees with wonky comb and how I fix it when it's in the hive, and I'll put the link. What I'm going to do with this is use some wax that we've already rendered and just literally scrape it on there. There we go. It's not much, but it's better than what it was. There you go. Here's a close-up because the angle I was filming with the bees in the hive was a bit difficult to put pressure on the actual frame. Literally a chunk of wax and just go for it. And there you go, a bit more of a closer look. But that's so much better than the small amount that's already been provided. And like I said, when these frames went in, they just took the little remnants of wax and weren't building on these at all. So this really does help them, and they should now build on that. And the other side. There you go. See, the trouble is if you leave these frames to be blank for too long in the hive, and I've put 4 in, the queen won't have as much space to lay, and then again they would want to swarm. I did a split in this hive not too long ago, that's why. And these were the new frames I had at hand. But some bees take to them and some bees don't. See, if I take these bees off, you've still got the remnants of the previous wax. Squish that down and just keep putting more on. There's so many uses for beeswax. And just keep going through that, and then in a week's time I'll check, and if they haven't taken to it again, I'll do even more wax.